At the time of recording this video, we are at the end of 2022. In the past couple of months, we have witnessed an explosion of generative AI models emerging on the market from DALL-E, Stable Diffusions, and many others. There's a high chance that your Twitter feed was like mine, invaded by incredible AI-generated pictures that people could create through simple text prompts. As usual with many breakthrough technologies, we first see the consumer cases emerge, and with a slight delay, the B2B use cases generally follow. The aim of this deep dive is precisely to explore the potential impact that generative AI could have on the B2B software/SaaS industry. Without a doubt, generative AI will change the creative industries and the way we create pictures, videos, or music. But will it also be the case for your favorite SaaS product? And if yes, how? Before we jump into concrete examples and use cases in the next video, I think it's worth covering the tech foundation that enabled this revolution. During the 2010-2020 decade, in the field of machine learning, the most popular neural network architectures were the convolutional neural networks, or CNN, and the recurrent neural networks, or RNN. CNNs are mostly used to analyze and recognize pictures or videos, while RNNs are mostly used to understand text. But the limitation of these architectures is that they are not parallelizable, so kind of slow to train, and they require labeled data, which is time-consuming to produce. But everything started to change in 2017 when a team of researchers at Google created a new type of neural network architecture called transformers. A transformer model is a neural network that learns context and thus meaning by tracking relationships in sequential data like words in this sentence. Sequential data structures can be found in images, videos, or even in molecules. So transformers are useful to understand many types of things beyond text. Some of the other aspects that make transformers much better than CNNs or RNNs is first that they are parallelizable, so you can throw a lot of GPUs at these models to train them faster. Second, they can learn from unlabeled data, which is a huge benefit. You can now use datasets which are much larger since they don't need to be labeled first. As a consequence, transformers are really good at self-supervised learning and offer better performances than CNNs or RNNs. The emergence of transformers, which is again a type of neural network architecture, explains the AI explosions in 2022. All the models you know, from DALL-E to Stable Diffusions, are transformers models. You've probably heard of them as LLMs, or large language models, because they are designed to understand human language. They are basically trained on huge datasets of written text and are really good at understanding the meaning of a sentence and its context. This is why the main way to interact with these models is by writing text prompts of what you want, and that the AI model will interpret to generate something based on your request. But you have other types of transformer models which are not based on text, but on other types of sequential data, like DeepMind, which advanced the understanding of proteins using a transformer called AlphaFold 2, or AstraZeneca and NVIDIA, which model called MegaMold-BART was specifically designed for drug discovery and trained on a large unlabeled database of chemical compounds. Now that we have covered these different key concepts, let's move to the meat of our deep dive and see how these transformer models will impact the B2B software industry.